Hi and good morning. It's Saturday, October 15th, and today is a really exciting day for me because I'm going to a cranberry bog. They will be harvesting the cranberries today and have a festival. This is something that I love every autumn. I look forward to, and I go with some of my family members, and there'll be some kids with me, so I probably will do the best I can to not film them because I don't think their parents really want them on camera. But anyway, cranberries are traditional in New England, and I assume other parts of the world, but it's a really traditional food item, a superfood, I guess some people would call it, because of the healthy benefits. And I love cranberries. They are really, really tart, but you can cook them in all different types of things, and I wouldn't necessarily eat them raw, but I suppose someone might. But they're really, really healthy for you. Obviously, I think a lot of us are familiar with them being beneficial to the urinary tract, to bladder infections, to heart issues, to healthy teeth, healthy skin. There's so many things, lowering cholesterol, I believe, and I think blood pressure. A lot of people associate it with being high in vitamin C, but there's also multi-B vitamins that are inside of cranberries, so they're super beneficial. There's just so many things that I couldn't name them all, but those are the things that I think of right away when I think of cranberries, besides being sour, tart. So also my hair kind of looks like a cranberry in the sunlight. That's unintentional. It's just the way my hair looks when the sun hits it. So that's where we're going to today, and it's going to be a wonderful day. It's beautiful out, and I'm so excited.
The process itself after, so it'll go from here, right? Then it'll go to our receiving station. Then they sort out the big plump ones from the ones that are too small. Anything that's too small gets sent off to compost. Then from there it'll go to our processing facility, where we'll then make the juices and all of our products.
And what are cranberries good for healthy purposes?
Antioxidants, of course. Rich in antioxidants more than any other fruit, actually.
Superfruit, maybe?
It's definitely a superfruit. Yes, it is. Mother Nature's superfruit.
So you go through those vines and scoop them. You can hold it. It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
It's heavy. This one's not as heavy if you want to hold that one.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, this one's heavy. You go through the vines
Yeah.
and collect the berries. They fall off and collect in here, and then you dump them into
What flavor?
We got cranberry, and it says there's a half cup of fruit in all the pouches.
That was really fun. So we're going to go to the market place that has a few different activities for cranberry related, or maybe just autumn related, seasonal things for kids and stuff. So I'm going uphill right now. I don't want to fall, but I'm gonna go and set my way to the North Marketplace.